Hello everyone! For today's video, you will learn how to add integers with and like signs. This video features an instructional material which has two types of tiles. One is a tile with smooth surface, which is made up of illustration board. The other one is a tile with rough surface made up of sandpaper. The tile with smooth surface represents positive number, while the tile with rough surface represents negative numbers. For example, +1, a tile with smooth surface, plus -1, a tile with rough surface. So, we have here a pair of tiles with opposite texture. The smooth with the positive sign, which is +1, and the rough, which is -1 or the negative number, equals 0. So when we're going to pair up the smooth and the rough surface, we have to take them away because this is equals 0. Okay, another example. If we have +6, so we have 6 tiles with smooth surface. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, plus -3. So we'll have the 3 rough surface, 1, 2, and 3. What do you think is the sum here? So we have to pair them, the smooth and the rough. We have to take them away. First pair, then another pair, take them away because this is equals to 0. Next, another pair, the smooth and the rough. Again, this one equals to 0. So, how many tiles are left? We'll count. We have 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 smooth tiles. And this one represents positive numbers. So if we have 6 plus -3 equals +3. Okay, we'll have another example. If we have -5, so we'll put here 5 tiles with rough surface. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Plus +2. What do you think is the sum? Since it's positive number, so we have to put 2 tiles with smooth surface. 1 and 2. Then, we're going to pair up. We have the rough and the smooth. We're going to take them away because this is equals to 0. Then another pair. The rough and the smooth will be taken away because that's also equal to 0. Now, let's check. How many tiles are left? Yes, we have 3 rough tiles left. And then, rough tiles represents negative numbers. So this is -3. Okay? So let's have another example. What if we have +7? Since it's a positive number, so we're going to put 7 tiles with smooth surface. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Plus -5. What do you think is the sum? Since it's negative number, So we are going to use the rough surface. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we have here pair of tiles already with opposite texture. We have the smooth and the rough. We have to pair them up. Smooth and rough, take them away because it's equal to 0. Let's have another pair. Smooth and rough, take them away again. How about this one? We have the smooth and the rough equals to 0, take them away. Another pair, the smooth and the rough, take them away again. And another one, another pair, the positive and the negative, the smooth and the rough, take them away because this is equal to 0. Now let's check. How many tiles are left? Yes, we have 2 smooth tiles left. So you have 1, 2, and that is a tile with smooth texture, meaning it is positive 2. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.